Hey guys, what's happening? Hope you're doing great today. Thanks for watching and coming back. And I gotta admit, I feel like I haven't sat down and talked to you in a month. And actually, it's almost been that long because I was traveling. I was gone for a couple of weeks. And so the last 3 videos or so that I've posted, I recorded before I left. So this is kind of like my therapy, for lack of a better word. So I'm finally sitting down with you guys and chatting again. And I wanted to talk today about the Black Friday offer that Skylum is having on both Luminar and Aurora. And then I'm also going to do some live edits on a couple photos that I haven't previously edited and didn't plan for. I just got them ready to go just to show you a little bit about what you can do, especially for those of you that haven't used Luminar or Aurora before. This is a great time to take advantage of these Black Friday offers. So let me tell you real quick what they are. You can get the combo, which would be both products, for $119. I gotta look at my notes. $119. That's nearly $50 off. So it's a great savings. And Black Friday, their specials run. They start today, which is November 21st, and they run through November 28th. And so that's a great way to get both if you're thinking about both. If you're not, you can also get a deal on each product individually. So on Luminar, same dates, November 21st to the 28th, you can get it for $59, and it comes with a bunch of bonuses. But the best part, I think, is that if you use coupon code JIMNIX, which is just my name, you save another $10. So that's $49. And to clarify and full disclosure, I'm an affiliate, so if you use my coupon code or use my links, I make a small commission. So I make a couple of bucks. If you do that, it helps support me and the channel and keeps me bringing you all this content. Speaking of content, I now have nearly, I think, 95 or so Luminar videos on Luminar 2018. So all this free training is yours, whether you buy with my link or not. And Aurora, I have on 2018, 2019, between the two of them, I think I have about 40 videos. So lots of content here for you to consume, and it'll just help you, get trained and ready to use these products. And like I said, whether you use my link or not, it does help me a lot, but to be clear, the training's free. It's just out there. It's just something I love to do. So this is a public service that Jim's going to keep doing. So enjoy it. Back to the deal. You get a bunch of Black Friday special offers. You get a year of SmugMug portfolio. You get a bunch of sky overlays. You get a bunch of coupons, and they have some bonuses that are going on now. You'll get those bonuses along with the Black Friday bonuses. So that's a ViewBug membership for 3 months, 2 months at Kelby One, any ebook from Rocky Nook, tutorials from Daniel Corden, and even a gift card with Manfrotto and Gitzo. So just a bunch of cool stuff, and that's with Luminar. And again, it's $59, $10 off if you use JIMNIX coupon code. Let me look at my next page because there's so much stuff. Aurora Hdr, and that Black Friday offer is you get it for $89 using coupon code JIMNIX, regular $99. So the bonuses are really what make the Black Friday offer different. And so if you're a previous user of Aurora 2018, you can upgrade for $59, and again $49 using my coupon code. But the bonuses with Aurora include a year of SmugMug and 3 months with the Stuck in Customs Passport membership. So that's Trey's membership program. It's basically $10 a month, so you get a $30 value, 3 months to join his passport program. So it's cool stuff. For me, here's the deal. The reason, if you're on the fence, especially about Luminar, the reason I would get it now is because anyone that owns Luminar 2018 will get a free update to Luminar 3.0 when it comes out. Now, you've been seeing videos about their DAM/library module. All that stuff is coming, and I think the date is December 18th. They've been posting it publicly. I've been using the product. I can't talk about it, but it's going to be fun. We're going to do some videos about that as well, and by we, I guess I mean me. And I don't know if you can tell, I'm a little bit sick, on the road for a couple of weeks, and I'm just kind of getting over it. But anyway, so Black Friday offer, the 21st to the 28th. If you use my coupon code, you save $10. You get a lot of bonuses. And for me, the best part is you get into Luminar now, get the free update to Luminar 3 with a library module in about a month, basically. So that's that. So let me know if you have any questions. Drop a comment down below. Let me show you a couple of photos. Here's the first one. This is, hey, you guessed it, Pike Place Market in Seattle. I was in Seattle for 2 weeks. I wasn't really doing a lot of photography. I didn't really have time, but I made a little bit of time. So let me show you. Here's a couple things I would do. And this is just kind of demonstrating a little bit of the power of Luminar and the things you can do. So I'm just kind of winging it because this is not a prearranged edit. I'm going to just do what I would normally do and just kind of create the kind of look that I like in my photos. And I'm going to see how quickly I can do this here while also talking to you. So it actually is very difficult because I want to look at the camera and talk to you guys and say, hey, what's happening, and talk about things. But it's kind of hard to do because I'm just kind of playing around. So let me see what I did here. There's the before, there's the after. I like it. You know, I would probably do some more if I wasn't doing a live edit. But generally speaking, when I have a blue hour with a neon, there's so much color and saturation, there's not a whole lot often that I need to do. And that was one of the things I wanted to do, is capture some blue hour shots. And I'll be back with more videos. I took hundreds, literally, of this over a couple of different evenings. And so there's one example of what you can do, and there's the before and the after. Quick, simple edit. Let me show you this one. This one's going to be a little bit different. This was in the Japanese garden in Seattle. And so what would I do here? Well, I'm going to go get raw develop. I'm going to get the Sky Enhancer and Accent AI. These are both AI, or artificial intelligence powered filters. So I think they're super cool. I'm going to get tone, and I'm going to get HSL. Let me find it. It's right there. Let's see if I can do something cool here. So first thing I would do is, actually, I would probably use Accent AI first. It's going to brighten that photo. You can see that little Japanese thing. I don't know what you call it, but this garden was stunning. It was so beautiful. I had a gorgeous day. And in fact, I recorded some video out here, and I'm probably going to make a vlog about it. I just haven't had time to do any of that because since I've gotten home, I've been kind of sick, and I've been kind of busy. So here's Sky Enhancer. You can take a look at the sky, right? You can kind of see how that works. It's pretty cool. I'm going to get some Smart Tone. I want to brighten up some of that foreground. Yeah, look at that. It was perfectly still. The clouds were gorgeous. The color was amazing. And the reflections were crisp. I was going crazy, believe me. And the truth is, I don't have this kind of stuff in Texas where I live, so I was excited about that. Here's one thing that I like to do with these kind of scenes. As you can see, there's a lot of fall color in the background, but there's also a lot of green. So something I'll often do is go into the hue filter, and on the green and the yellow, I'll drag them a little bit more to the left. And as you can see, it's making them a little bit more kind of the orange. And so all I'm really doing is creating, sort of enhancing that fall look. I get the orange kind of going that way, and then maybe go back to saturation and bump them up a little bit. And I'm just creating a little bit more of that kind of fall color. And there we go. Let me show you the difference of HSL. There's before, pretty green with a little bit of yellow and orange that you can see. And after, now a lot more orange. And that's just a little trick I like to do just to kind of enhance my fall foliage. There actually is a foliage enhancer filter for those of you that haven't seen it, but I actually use HSL probably more. Here's the before and the after. That's a quick live edit. I'm kind of winging it here. I would probably do more, but the video would stretch out. And truthfully, I just wanted to talk about the Black Friday offer and get you excited about Luminar 3, which is coming. And I hope it did that. So that's it for today, my friends. The offer is live. You can click the link down below. Again, if you use my coupon code JimNix, I make a few bucks. Super helpful to me. Really appreciate the support. And if you don't use it, that's fine too. Get Luminar and Aurora if you want both while you can with a great deal with all these bonuses, because it's a great time of year to do that. And come back here for training. Free videos, whether you buy using my links or not. And I'm going to shut up now. I got a lot of things planned, a bunch of videos I want to do, a bunch of photos, a vlog, and I've got another series of videos I want to start doing where I'm just talking about photography in general. So more of a conversational thing, and we'll be talking about that soon. So thanks for watching. I miss talking to you guys. I really appreciate it, and we'll be in touch soon. Have a great one. And for those of you in the U.S., have a great Thanksgiving. I'll be celebrating with family and friends, just as I hope you will. Thanks for watching, my friends. Take care. Have a great one. See you soon, and adios.